namukena kambe ka pasita Xitsonga analyst I don't of course that can also miss the post doing a take continuing with link now Ben Mayengani the president even then from there I came like Dr. Sithole lawana wanna still link at link very and Ben Mayengani and then now Simfree of course that I came include the one and stuff like that. So of course the 12th of September so Mr. Boss fika and another live yanyipi at the gig very so ngoshtaka so cover some sort of a tradition so I figured talk also Mr. Boss theory in this time around okay.
Cameraman, I take it long. I'm taking that. Side.
Yeah. I thought we are meet us, Mr. Post.
To go to Java, Satan, one of them walk. We are going to them tight all of it. You look chinning. Jeren Baba China, look chinning. A performer. Look, Sugala, a panel bid, panel bid has to Maramigate to Ilash.
As you can see, I play you couldn't come go for the single Mr. Post na Ben Mayengani. They said that the gig what na magana the gig in busy blend also Mr. Post come back with tender car as you can see kwalan you are catch lama the kwalan tanjum show na kulungzun kapato and stuff like that. So hi equal so yeah, you're not update yakona of course side like also Mr. Post come so yeah on show ka like also Mr. Post to some sort of a marketing strategy ku side right now kun bona the video clips let khathi ngunyika relevance ikulu ezingwa va ku chingena and stuff like that taro talk very so yeah, come a regular update very custom of course Dr. Sithole 12 September ifike itsala a post la yeah la nga fika itsala ku ni le ku hlamuleni ku ani chuwanga musi swa twala kwaleyo okay ifika this image kwalano okay swi komba ku ri some sort of an interview and stuff like that okay mara ti hlamulani na mranga phanda kwala ndeni kwa ti hlamulani kwalo ifika ingena la fika hi vona president Mayengani ifika ikombisa ku Emba maseve ndero ku iside ra Ben Mayengani he believes ku Dr. Sithole yi nga yi chuwini mara ku hi ti action star yona loko ri himpela veve hi believe ku ti action star ta vulavula mani voni yi chuwini Dr. Sithole like yi busy swinene na Ben Mayengani in overall loko ku ri hola ku la hi ti post ne hi yona yi rhanga ku mahlweni ku ya hi ku chinga and stuff like that mara ku yi hlamula Dr. Sithole leyi fike kombisa ku mi hundza mi niteka hi ya ka maxodze maseve so like I shaken like I let's just admit guys with Dr. Sithole I shaken at all it's relaxed it's too relaxed like as swi ndlena kona nchumu kahle la then very clear reference the other post arana mjere ku like ai hadisinyana ku hi time frame ya hina ayi clear respond ka Dr. Sithole and I be finish popanish mranga phanda ifike post so when Dr. Sithole clear ta respond again here as promised ku anvulungu ta tlhentani ta cheka kambe so ifike ikombise ku hayi mase phikile hi sharp for next album minga aze mi design nchumu mo tsala mavito ntsena na title track yolinga of course inga design yena ni Dr. Sithole and stuff like that okay I feel sorry for Mango stuff like that hi chuwang na posting one ku 11 guys Yeah, of course, in relation to ku hi side ra family care mhaka mhaka leyi ku na post leyi a no yi rivala mani life yi tsariwa hi Benny xa tikisa swa ku big fan so a fika kombisa ku wena problem a wu hleketeleli vana va wena phela Benny xi bifa wena ivi vana va wena na nsati va dya khisimusi ku vava wa swi hleketa ku lembe ra mangovo n'wana wa wena a lava ku tshika xikolo a ni yi voni post leyi a no yi rivala swo ka yi ri serious beef ya mangovo ni swi ku hlamari sinyo so na Dr. Sithole a yi fika yi responda laha na yi kombisa ku so wena hi wena spokesperson xa ndyangu wa mina ne as we can so ku ya hi sayiti ra Dr. Sithole a yi chuhangi and a yi na mhaka na swona hi leswi hi nga ta swi vula ku a yi ze yi na mhaka na swona like swi kombi na ku a yi na mhaka no beef yi nga hetelela yi affect family ku hi ku hlaya ka yona hi post ya yona and stuff like that hayi a swi lungheni so ku nghena hi comment vhevhele ka siku nta force va ku master tia swona ku risimu leri ra The Crazy featuring Simfree ri na ri comment 2 million manje na as you can see the song now ri le ka 2 million hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to them va tirheni swinene because I remember a ku ri update a ku nga ri June kwala a ku ri update a khale ku ri ka million musi track leyi powerful musi ne you very powerful hi ku ya ku huma hi ri March April May June July August September 6 months already le ka 2 million so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to them a ni reference Simfree ku a nga duma ngopfu in other words ni twina ku hi yana loko hi yingisela track leyi twina ku i Ryan but risimu very ra The Crazy of course a nga feature Simfree yeah ma vona mhaka leyi so hi ta vula tani congratulations to them va tirheni swinene these are crazy numbers guys leswi kombisa power ya electro ka nkarhi wa sweswi we have to admit ku electro yi na power swinene yi nghena swi yisa leswi pushing some crazy numbers crazy insane numbers it's crazy guys it's crazy risimu ra kokwana Chauke and then yi byeriwe ku yi fike yi ri votera hopefully yi ta vona video ya ti-awards and stuff like that hi leswo ri kwala very update about Ben Mayengani we have some great news here ku nghene various comments about it hi vuya ka project ya Mahlasela vele ma vona mhaka leyi toni swi swi toko already a hi update Mahlasela ku yi khome a million yeah as it turns out Magic na yona se yi khome a million of which I believe ku Magic ku hi sayiti ra mina vele I believe Magic yi better than Mahlasela even from the word go leswi a ni swi believe xiswona me ivi ku tela yini ivi ku tela malwela and then ku tela Mahlasela leswi a ni swi vonise swona and stuff like that but as you can see yi kota ku va na yona yi reacha a million as you can see kwalani so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to Ben Mayengani he did great for Nzumba guys for Nzumba like for Nzumba that project is yi kota ku va vele yi reacha timillion timbirhi hi Nzumba before a year yi tirheni swinene yi hela nkarhi mo ediya leyi hi kota ku yi chanyana and stuff like that na yona a yi bini Mayengani yona a yi bini so hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to him yi tirheni guys let's just put some respect to Ben Mayengani like we need to understand ku i munhu loyi a nga still hi traditional hi to hi vona traditional music wa hina ku hi nkarhi wa sweswi Nzumba because sweswi ku nghena electro hi nga vula tano electro yeah loyi wona hi nga vula ku as a traditional ka nkarhi wa sweswiwa still doing great let's put some respect like na timillion timbirhi
vona la ni fambe kahle ka ta ni fikini ntirhweni ni la ku va busy nyana hi ta vulavula na ku rhandza u vula swa ku tala vuton'wini bya mina sharp 11 seconds 79 millisecond ma swi vona ku a va busy ka nga ta vulavula na n'wina u vula ku na 11 seconds a va na yona ya ku vulavula na wena na hi lunch yavo a va na yona 5 seconds ya ku vulavula na wena ku ka va nga swi lavi